Hello, I'm Funcoin78. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use do in order, do together, for each and variable. First, let's start by adding a character in our scene. In this case, our character will be a adult. Okay. And let's name him Fred. Let's move our camera up a little. There, edit code. Now, for Fred, let's say, add another character actually. And an elder saying her name will be, Lisa. In this Alice project, there's two characters, and the character will be talking to the user, in this case, me. First, let's start off by using do together. Do together is used when you want multiple statements to be run at the same time. For example, if you want Lisa to say hi, I'm just adding duration for how long the message will be, and at the same time you want Fred to say hi, you will use this. Let's run it. As you can see, they both said hi at the same time. You can use this do together for anything else. In this example, I'm just showing you how to use it for a string. You may create a method using this. You may do anything you would like to. Next, how do you do in order? Technically, all of this is in do in order, but if you want something to be do in order still, you'll be able to drop in statements to do in order. And as you can see, self-explanatory, do in order means it does your program in order from top to bottom. How do you make a variable? Simply, a variable, select variable up here, value type. A double is a number with decimals in it. An integer is an integer, a whole number. Boolean is like true, false, if, else. And a string is hello, goodbye, hi. In this case, I'll be creating a string variable. The name will be hi. The name will be example variable. And an initializer will be hi. In this case, I'll use this variable. Make sure that your variable is always above your code. If it's below your code, your variable will not be able to be seen here. As you can see, if it's above your code, you can see a variable right here. In Alice, variables are dependent on their value. If it's a string value, you will be able to only view in string. If it's an integer, you'll be able to only see an integer. And you'll see as you work with Alice more and more, or watch more of these videos. For now, instead of saying hi here, let's put example variable, an example variable. Now whatever that's in this variable, stored in this variable, is going to be outputted. In this case, it's hi. If I want to change this and make this good morning, the value automatically changes for both. This will help when writing large lines of code. And as you can see, it changed. And that's simply how to use a variable, do in order and do together. Count is also another function you can use. You can place something in there and make it run however many times you would like to. In this case, if I want this to run twice, I'll select the number 2 and drag my code in there. And when I say run, it's going to run the code twice. And that's very simple. For loop is also almost like count loop, but it checks for values before it runs. Instead, count loop runs however so. For loop checks for a value, and if it's true, then only it's going to run, else it's not going to run. And in this video, I showed you how to use do in order, count, for each in, do together, and a variable. Thank you for watching. Bye.